Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use X or Twitter in 2026. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So if you're new to using X here and you're wondering what are the basics and are the things I need to understand, well, the first thing that you need to do is you want to install it and create your account. Now, I'm assuming you already have your account ready and you're now ready to start using it. Now, by default, you see a few things here. Now, at the very bottom, those are your main tools or your main menus here. So first is you have your homepage, which is the first one that you're seeing in here, which should show you all the recommended posts if you go to the For You page, as you can see right now, For You at the very top. Now, you also have the following. So anyone that you're currently following, this is where their posts or updates are going to be. So in this case, if you want to get updated on your favorite influencer online, you need to go to the following page here to see those posts from people you specifically follow. Now, if you go to For You, these are just like interests or certain topics or posts that lines with your interests. So that's why the algorithm just suggests like certain posts for you in here. So yeah, so this is your homepage. So these are the basics. So if you go to the search at the very bottom here, so this is like the magnifying glass here. It's a way for you to start searching for topics or accounts. So for example, you have the For You, again, recommended topics. Trending are like, from the name itself, trending, so people are currently talking about. You also have news, which in this case, anything about news related. You also have sports, entertainment, and a lot more. So if you want to see like certain information about certain topics, this is how you do it. Now if you want to search for someone, you can go and click on search and maybe like search for that user. Like let's just say it is going to be you can search like a specific account, like their name in here. And once you do see them, you can go and just basically access their in this case their post if you click on it. But if you click on their profile photo or their name, you should be redirected to their page or their profile. Now you could also follow them if you want to like see their replies, their highlights, and media, like similar to your profile, but then again, you're just following them if you want. Yeah, so let's go back. Now, since we are talking about like certain posts, let's go and go back to the homepage here. Now, the posts that you're seeing in here in the homepage or in the following page, you have like a bunch of buttons. Now, if you click on the message or the comment button here, you'll have the option to start commenting on that post. So you can say whatever you want. You can basically tag someone. You can add photos if you want. So you can go and click on allow all. You can add photos, tag photos, or you can add GIFs or popular GIFs right now, as you can see right now. And you also have the option to add what we call asking questions. So you can add like choice one, add an image for it. You can even ask a question for it if you want to. Now you can also tag a place if you want to pose in a specific location. And you could also flag your post, like for example, if this is a paid partnership, is this made with AI? So you are required to specify that in here. So yeah, those are your options in here, so that if you want to comment or whatever. If you want to repost something, go and click on the repost button. That's the like button, that circular button that has arrows on it. You can either repost or just repost the whole thing, or if you want to quote the whole thing and you want to add a comment into it. So if you want to comment something regarding it, and you can even like change who's going to see it if you want to add whatever you want, like what we saw before, like adding photos if you want. But yeah, it's like posting but using that post as a context. Now, if you want to like something, you go and just click on the heart button. Now, if you want to save this for later viewing, you could go and click on the bookmark button here. As you can see, it's added to your bookmark. Now, if you click on the middle button here, this is Grok. So it's like an AI. So if you're familiar with ChatGPT, that's what it is. So if you want to do those stuff, you go and do it. And also, if you click on the bell icon here, this is your notification. So if someone messaged you, someone liked your post, or did something, like for example, message you or whatever, like reposted anything that is about what's happening in your account, this is where you should be able to see it. You can even like specifically only see mentions if you go to news mention section. Now, if you could also manage this one, like filtering your notifications if you want to see like only notification from certain people, your preferences if you want. And yeah, so if you go to your message button at the bottom right here, this is where you'll be able to start chatting with other users. So if you chat with someone, this is where you'll be able to see it. Obviously, you need to add a passcode for this one to protect your messages just in case. Now, how do you access your profile? Well, you need to go to your home page. So that's the home icon at the very bottom left. And you want to go and click on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Now, in here, as you can see, you have profile, premium, communities. Obviously, there are going to be a lot in here. Now, I also mentioned bookmarks before. So if you go to bookmarks, you should be able to see your bookmarks, like as you can see right now, if you want to view it again. Now, if you go to the profile section, you should be able to see your profile. Now, that includes your following, your followers list, your posts, your replies, your highlights, articles, medias, anything that you did before. Now, you could also click on the pencil icon at the top right here if you want to edit your bio, your profile, do whatever you want. You can even switch to professional if you want. If you click on the three dot option, you have the option to share your account, as you can see right now. I can even like do search here if you want to search your account's information, like what you posted, what you said before. It's quite similar to what we saw before, like the other accounts we visited. You could also use the search functionality on it. Now you could also get verified if you want. So if you click on get verified, but obviously you need to pay for it to be to be verified. So yeah, so those are the basics. But if you want to like create your post without actually commenting, or just make your own post, so you go and click on the feather icon I see at the bottom right here, feather icon with the plus button, and you'll have the option to just say whatever you want with the other tools like adding photos, GIFs, and whatever in here, and you should be able to start posting in that way. So yeah. So in this case, those are the basics in order for you to get started here. So I'm going to keep this brief as fast as I can, and hopefully you'll be able to fully explore the whole app in here. But those are what you need right now to get started. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.